Alright, so the oil is finally drained all the way out here, so I'm just going to pop this nut back on. Easy peasy. Hope I had the ratchet in the right setting. Tighten it down, not too much though. And we're just going to clean this section off. Alright. And we're going to use this oil for storing our hand tools and things like that. So, but if you need to get rid of excess oil and stuff like that, changing your car's oil, anything else, I guess your local auto parts place should do it. They have a recycling program. But yeah, so all we got to do now is fill it. And the oil, like dipstick and everything, is here to check it, which you're supposed to check it every time you start your work on it. But it takes between 1.5 and 2 quarts of, what is this, 1030 oil? And sometimes when you're pouring oil, it's if you just jam the cone of the funnel in there, sometimes it makes a little air break. So if it's going kind of slow, make sure to pull it out with your hand a little bit so the air can get through. Pro tip, which I'm sure most of you probably already know. Alright, we're about at 1 3/4. Let this finish draining. Yeah, we'll just pop the thing back on. And that is changing the oil on a BCS.